Southeast Asia is united by football culture. Each country has a unique relationship with the sport. From modern leagues to grassroots, all exist here. But regional performance varies greatly. The AFC ranks leagues based on club results. These rankings affect qualification for continental tournaments. We examine the mid-season 2024-25 AFC rankings. This list is data-driven, not emotional. Rankings can change quickly with effort and planning. Let's dive into ASEAN football from bottom to top. Timor-Leste. Timor-Leste is new to the AFC club ecosystem. The league is amateur and lacks national coverage. Most players work outside football. Clubs play on basic fields without fans. AFC has no current data on club participation. Youth development is limited but growing. FIFA and AFC provide occasional support. The talent exists, but structure is missing. Clubs dream of competing abroad. Progress here will take time and dedication. Brunei has a small but passionate football scene. The league often pauses between seasons. DPMM FC is their best-known club. DPMM plays in Singapore due to local limitations. Few Brunei clubs play AFC matches. Youth training is limited by facilities. Fans are loyal but small in number. Financial support is inconsistent. AFC ranking reflects this lack of exposure. Improvement depends on domestic growth. Laos had a growing league before 2020. Financial trouble hit clubs hard. Several teams have dissolved, players moved to Thailand and Vietnam. The national stadium now hosts few matches. Youth programs struggle with funding. Enthusiasts still try to keep it alive. AFC performance dropped steeply. Some hope remains in private academies. Laos must rebuild slowly but surely. Myanmar football was strong in the 2010s. Political unrest disrupted the league. Many clubs paused operations. Fans can't attend games due to security. Shan United remains active in regional games. Coaches and players left for safety. Youth training continues under strain. Past success still gives AFC points. The league needs rebuilding. Hope lies in committed local staff. The Philippines experienced a football boom in the early 2010s. Clubs like Ceres Negros FC made waves in the AFC Cup. However, financial instability led to a league collapse and rebirth. The new league is more compact and less commercialized. Reliance on foreign-born players continues. Stadiums are rarely full, and matches often go unnoticed in media. Youth academies exist, but are decentralized. Fans are loyal, but few in number. The league has potential if stability and support improve. With proper structure, Philippine football could re-enter regional prominence. Cambodia's football league has seen consistent investment in recent years. Partnerships with Japanese and Korean coaches have raised standards. Clubs like Phnom Penh Crown and Svay Ring FC are becoming more competitive. Stadiums have been renovated and new ones are being built. Youth development is a national focus. Online broadcasting has increased viewership and interest. AFC participation remains at the lower tier, but improving. Domestic fan culture is growing quickly. Financial backing remains fragile, but promising. Cambodia is slowly becoming a respected presence in ASEAN football. Indonesia has some of the most passionate football fans in the world. Liga 1 enjoys massive viewership and intense media coverage. However, administrative issues often disrupt progress. Clubs like Bali United and PSM Makassar perform in AFC competitions. Infrastructure varies widely across the archipelago. Youth academies are growing steadily, with some producing national team players. AFC results remain inconsistent, despite strong local talent. Fan culture is vibrant, but occasionally faces disciplinary challenges. The league's commercial potential is enormous. To climb further, consistency and professionalism are crucial. Singapore's league is small but highly structured. Lion City Sailors lead in terms of investment and continental exposure. The league focuses on discipline and consistency. Coaching licenses are strictly enforced. Matches are rarely sold out, but broadcast reach is strong. Local players are increasingly sent abroad. Youth teams are tied to every professional club. The league maintains its AFC ranking through solid planning. Media coverage is steady, if not flashy. Singapore proves quality can outlast quantity in football. Vietnam has emerged as a true footballing force in ASEAN. Clubs like Hanoi FC and Vietel consistently reach AFC competitions. Youth academies are supported by international expertise. Domestic matches attract large and disciplined crowds. Tactical training is now emphasized at all levels. National team success boosts league interest. Club management has become more professional. AFC coefficient continues to rise. Foreign scouts watch the league closely. Vietnam is no longer a surprise, it is a standard. Malaysia's growth is spearheaded by Johor Darul Ta'zim JDT. JDT's modern facilities are among Asia's best. The Malaysian Super League now runs on a clear, professional calendar. Youth and community football are supported at all levels. Broadcast deals and sponsorships have grown. Other clubs like Selangor and Terengganu are also rising. National team improvements support league exposure. Tactical maturity is visible across teams. AFC points have risen steadily. Malaysia is knocking on the door of regional leadership. Thailand remains ASEAN's football leader by a wide margin. ThaiLeague 1 combines technical depth and financial investment. Burim United and BG Pathum lead in AFC performance. Clubs attract strong international talent and coaching. Youth development is systemic and expansive. The league has consistent media support and stable governance. National team success helps local interest. Facilities are among the best in the region. Players often transfer to Japan and Korea. Thailand sets the benchmark for ASEAN football. AFC rankings are not permanent, they evolve with time. Some countries have climbed steadily, while others are rebuilding. The gap in ASEAN leagues shows differences in planning and execution. Football here is driven by dreams and determination. Every nation has potential when structure meets passion. Progress takes investment, education, and patience. Rankings are not the goal, they are the result. As fans, we all share the same dream. Growth. The ASEAN region is moving together. The future of Southeast Asian football is being written today.